This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shira Bhagavatula. Welcome to Ranches at Lake Mcleod. Here is a new construction home for rent. Come check out this amazing home complete with 5 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms and 1 half bath. This open concept floor plan home comes with a beautiful living room, kitchen and dining area combination along with a half bath and laundry room are on the main floor. The heart of the home has a quartz center island that overlooks the dining and family room, great for entertaining. As you go up to the second floor you will find a nice loft area and surrounding that are the other bedrooms and bathrooms. The owner suite features an expansive bedroom that is connected to a spa-inspired owner bathroom with his and her sinks, large shower and a roomy walk-in closet. This home comes fully equipped with everything included features like brand new appliances, solid surface countertops throughout and oversized tile flooring in the wet areas. High-speed internet is included with the rent. Washer and dryer not provided. This home is what you have been looking for, a brand new home in a beautiful masterplan community of new single-family homes. The city of Eagle Lake is just a short distance from ample outdoor recreation, shopping, dining and more in nearby Winter Haven. Popular attractions include chain of lake sports complex.